With unveiled faces, we stand before you. Your spirit changing everything inside. From glory to glory, you keep transforming, till our lives reflect the brightness of your light. Every time I look to you, I'm becoming more like you. From glory to glory, Lord, you're making all things new. Oh yeah, when I am naked, not gonna go able begging. You draw me closer, deeper in your presence. Your love is rewriting my story. Every fear is melting, every chain is breaking. Your glory is the fire making me whole. Every time I look to you, I'm becoming more like you. From glory to glory, Lord, you're making all things new. Oh yeah, when I am naked, no go